Welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. You are very blessed because it's El Nino, but it's been a couple of days now that it's been raining, and it really helps to in the plant to those who have plants, you know, and even our plants just in the yard are very happy. So we don't, it's a blessings from heaven because now our water in the well is growing. So I'm not sure if the grader went work today because although this morning the driver was there, so I think he did for a couple of hours like this. Now it stopped here the other day, right?
Yeah.
Now it's working. Yeah, possible when the rain start because this morning it's only a little bit darker.
He went to here.
He went here. This is the last. So now this is he did a little, but when the rain start, he go home. Look at that. It's pretty good. It's very slippery because the grader cannot continue working if it's raining because the tire will make a mess. So let's see how long the grader went. Go through. Yeah, he did. Look at that.
So we're going to have to go in tomorrow and get a new tire on the front there.
So what the grader did is, the driver did is he make some ditches there so that the water the flow of the water go that way. So it's not really a lot of work compared from the first that we do the grader because now it's just a maintenance so that the road will not be forgotten. Look at that.
And here you can see how close that is to the edge.
Yeah. I remember the first time I drive her, I know how to
Look at it over here.
learn how to drive. This is the part that I'm scared because in one mistake we will be stumbling down the road. So it seems he did a lot of jobs.
Yes, he got a lot of work. This is good. Great.
You take that out, that stone there. Wow. Yeah, but now that we know about the maintenance, what we're gonna do, because it's been a year now that we're doing the grader, so we're thinking to do it every 2 years. But this time we just want to grader it because we're planning in the next couple of months when we're able on our finance, we will cement some difficult parts, especially those bumpy, those water that is stagnant during rainy seasons. We're gonna cement that area, we're gonna cement some parts of that area so that it will not cost repair. Oh, he did a long job today. I'm amazed. Oh my god. Look at that. Wow.
You can never take this road for granted.
Granted. Because if you take it for granted, you will be in accident. Wow. He did a long job. I think we saw him by 8 o'clock, so I think he started at 8. No, he start at 10, around 10, right?
Yeah.
10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Maybe he worked 6 hours today.
We're in four-wheel drive right now, but I have a problem with there's an idle here. Oh, he's been up there too.
No, only on that area there. He's not finished.
There's an idle adjustment, and it's stuck, and so I can't get the idle down below.
He's only stopped here.